is day 25 of the 25 days of Christmas. I hope you are all having an amazing day. Today's final Christmas look is a Christmas tree. I start off by priming my eyes with a concealer and then blending in a forest green eyeshadow into my crease. This is the Urban Decay Hatter eyeshadow from their Full Spectrum palette. I then mix in a more of a limey green to make it a little bit more vibrant, and I blend this in my crease and all over my lid. I then get a white eyeshadow and place it in the inner third of my eye, and then I get a black eyeshadow and blend it in the outer corner. I then cover my eye with the Marianne Glitter Fixer Gel, and then I have different shades of green glitter. I start off with the lightest colour on the inner corner and slowly gradient it out into the outer corner. Off camera I do my foundation, my contour, my highlighting, all of that, and then I use a green face paint for my brows. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, I map out where I want to put kind of my Christmas tree decorations. So I start off by drawing like a garland on my forehead and then having baubles coming down in the middle of the garlands and off of my eye makeup. I then go over it with a black eyeliner. To create the actual baubles, I use oversized gems to place at the bottom of the strings. I use some eyelash glue for these to stick on. For the kind of a draped decoration on my forehead, I put 2 stars on the joins, and then on the draped string in between, I put some multicolored sequins. To complete this look, I put on some false eyelashes and then used a green face paint for the lipstick. I also put on a green wig and used this bauble necklace to put on my hair that I got from Claire's. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you liked this Christmas series I did. I can't believe I actually completed it, but it has meant that I'm sitting here on Christmas Day editing this video. But I have really enjoyed it, and I want to say a huge thank you to everyone for supporting me. If you do not want to miss any more makeup tutorials that are coming 2019, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. My name is @Brooke.Ellis_, and I'll see you in my next video.